was a kid, I used to buy and sell vanity. I knew how to fly, and I would teach you for a fee. I broke every window in my hotel life. I was only 5 years old, a 12-year scar. I hear the same voice echo in my mind. He says, son, you got an angel that chased the devil at night. Oh, when I was a kid, my grandfather was a preacher. He talked about God, how he was something like a teacher. He said, God only helps those who learn to help themselves. He wasn't